This ordinary concrete driveway can be transformed into this beautiful driveway simply by using Sakrete Flo-Coat concrete resurfacer and Sakrete colors. With the use of paper stencils and a spray gun, this driveway has taken on the appearance of one in which bricks and pavers have been installed. The key to any successful concrete repair is surface preparation. Repair any cracks and pressure wash the entire driveway prior to beginning. Unroll the stencil and place in the desired location. This can be done easier with 2 people. Small stencils may need to be anchored with tape. Tape also provides a wide border that helps to prevent overspraying. The second part of our project involves stenciling the apron of the driveway with a flagstone pattern. Place the stencil and, using the same techniques demonstrated on the brick stencil, apply the Flo-Coat. Once the stencil's in place, it's time to begin mixing. Begin the mixing process by adding water to a 5-gallon bucket. Then add Sakrete color to the water. Once the pigment is in the water, using a drill, mix the pigment and the water together briefly. Then add Flo-Coat. Continue mixing with the drill for several minutes until the mix is fluid and all lumps are gone. Once the Flo-Coat is mixed, pour the Flo-Coat into the hopper gun. Before starting our project, we needed to perform minor modifications to a standard plaster gun. For complete details on how to perform the modification, see our Flo-Coat spray gun assembly video. Spraying is best done by using a circular pattern. Don't try to cover the entire area at one time. Using cardboard or plastic can help to prevent overspray. As soon as the spraying is complete, it is important to remove the stencil. Do not allow the Flo-Coat to dry prior to removing the stencil. Spraying is now complete. Our stencils have been removed, leaving the appearance that we have installed flagstone pavers and bricks. The home's entire appearance has been enhanced by using Sakrete Flo-Coat concrete resurfacer and Sakrete colors. To ensure long-lasting color, Flo-Coat should be sealed 24 hours after application.